Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm here to share in this video a conversation about starting a traditional business or online business. It don't really matter. It's not easy. It takes a lot of time, effort, and investing, and making a successful, profitable business manifest itself. And then based on your industry or your niche or the category that you're looking to get into, is going to depend more so on how difficult that task may be when it comes to starting and growing a profitable business for yourself, regardless if it's a traditional model or online model or both. And you got to understand going forward before you even get started some of the challenges that you're going to face so you can be predisposed to things that's going to happen to you that won't surprise you when they do happen. They won't throw you off your game when they do happen. They won't frustrate you to the point where you will give up when they do happen. Because life will show up in such a way where whatever business you're trying to start and grow will become a challenge. And so, with me being in the career industry of tax preparation and taxation, and taking a course back in 1995 and realizing how I enjoyed preparing individual income taxes for people and helping people in that way. And I saw how that could be a career move for me. But at the time, I was suffering from a drinking problem. So I wasn't able to pursue that right then and there. But the seed was planted that once I got my act together, I could come back and pursue that. And so in 2001, I came back into the industry, took a refresher course, and I've been doing this ever since. So uh, when it comes to leveraging my coaching program, by utilizing 21 years of experience, 15 as a business owner, helping women get started from A to Z, targeted training, take away all the guesswork, and help fast track your success to become profitable uh, with a minimum of $10,000 in your first season. And that's a very low number, especially talking about a career industry like tax preparation and the dollar amounts that we charge per transaction. $10,000 in your first season definitely is a low figure, and that's just being modest. So if you can't accomplish at least 10,000 in your first season, then you haven't taken the necessary action inside your business to make that happen. And all results are not typical, and so I must let you know that in my first year, I generated $40,000 in 3 months, 5,000 in one day. But like I say, my situation was definitely different than how the clients that I work with start. So I work with people who have no prior training experience with this business model and career industry who want to make it happen. Then I have people who already have prior training experience who want to go to the next level with starting their own business. And so the difficulty and learning curve you face with that is the person that already has prior training experience and maybe some clientele is that now that you want to be your own boss, you have to learn some whole new set of information that an employer would need to know on top of the fact that you still a player and a coach when it comes to your business, meaning you're the person that's still on the front line preparing individual income taxes, and now you're the boss as well. And so you have to learn all what a boss would know and what an employee would know. And so that combined knowledge positions you in a different place than just an employee. So for people who manage and supervise companies, it's never going to be the same as you owning your own company because the learning curve is going to be different. Your exposure to what you need to know is going to be different. The experience and learning that you're going to learn about is definitely going to be different. And so that's why when it comes to starting a traditional business or online business, it doesn't matter. It can be a challenge, it can be difficult, it can be frustrating. All those things roll up into one, but you have to understand that based on the business model you've chosen, hopefully you've chosen something that you're good at, you're passionate about, you have a true desire to help people with, because that must have depth and weight that's going to hold you up during the hard times where you feel like giving up, where you feel like you don't want to get out of bed, when you feel like you just want to go into the office, because life will show up in that way to make you feel like that. So when it comes to my consulting business and my coaching business and my tax preparation business and all the different service-based businesses that I do to generate income, those things I don't promote all at one time because there's no need. I lead with my flagship programs and convert people on the back end with my other products and services that I sell online. So my two flagship programs is tax preparation and my coaching program for women who looking to start their own tax preparation business. So I help self-employed and small business owners maximize profits through tax deductions, meaning you must be a business or a self-employed individual who's generating significant 5, 6 figure income where I can help you leverage tax deductions to get you back more profits inside your business. And if you're not doing that, then that's going to be the problem you'll face when it comes to me helping you maximize your profits through tax deductions. Because see, tax deductions and your tax write-offs all is based on how much money you've generated. So you basically put yourself in a bind if you in a situation where your business is not generating significant income for me to help you work with in the first place. So when it comes to helping self-employed and small business owners maximize their profits through tax deductions, you must be generating significant income for me to help that manifest itself. So when it comes to me helping you with your business, I help with the front end matrix, which is helping you with the business structure, help you with the bank accounts, payment processors, record keeping requirements, uh, what method we're going to use to keep track of income and expenses. Are we going to use manual methods? Are we going to use software methods? We have so many different software options that's inexpensive to get started with these days that depends on the size of your business and the transactions that you're going to have each and every day, week, and month inside your business. Going software might be the best, more efficient way to go versus manual. And so it's all based on how well your business is doing, how many transactions you're doing per day, per week, per month. That's going to determine how you want to start out when it comes to that. So if you need some assistance on getting started, I specialize in working with new business owners. So I have a link inside my video that's going to take you to my booking page where you can book a discovery call for $99. Consulting services 167, which is a step beyond the discovery call, and my free 30-minute coaching that's going to help you understand and get educated on what it's going to take for you to start your own tax preparation business from A to Z for a free 30-minute consultation. So whatever service you need that fits your needs, out of those three I just mentioned, take advantage of that because my prices will be going up next year due to COVID and all the different things that's happening. I was forced to go up on my prices this year when it came to tax preparation and everything else that I've done because all the vendors that I do work with all had went up on their prices as well. So that's just the nature of the beast that I had to go through when it comes to that. So when it comes to starting a business, traditional online, you definitely want to leverage online as well because the online business model gives you more leverage. It gives you more opportunity to reach more people, especially with social media being in place where you can basically build an audience for free on social media, capitalize on that by building a list of those people that you can get in front of with regular emails to build your brand, to build no like and trust, to build relationships with who eventually do business with you. And so marketing and your message is going to be key to that. My ideal client avatar is the woman who's looking to start her own tax preparation business, who don't want to get started by herself, don't want to make all the mistakes that a new person will make. Because when it comes to dealing with other people's money, 99% of the time you only get one chance to make a mistake. After that, you lost them and they're gone on to someone else, and now you got to replace that person. And so a lot of people have a fear of making mistakes when it comes to other people's money. Well, a lot of people don't even take action when it comes to this career industry of tax preparation and taxation. But if you're working with someone who has the knowledge, experience, and insight and training already available for you, that's going to guide you through the process, help you alleviate the minefields mistakes that you would make by being new, by having someone right there with you, is the key to your success. But you must take action on that. Once you take action, you won't know if this is the right industry for you, the right career move for you. So take advantage of that free 30-minute coaching call on my booking link that I'm gonna leave a description of my video with. If you're the person that's looking to start your own type of rich business and you want to be educated and shown up close and personal what that looks like, so you can make an informed decision before you go out here and invest your money and time with someone or by yourself that's going to frustrate you with getting started, that may cause you just to give up before you get started because you didn't really understand what it was going to take to have your own type of business put in place in the first place. And I'll see you in my next video.